Boneless skinless chicken breast.
So I've cleaned these livers up a little bit. I took out anything that looked like fat or, you know, white part that doesn't look beautiful, livery, meaty color. Just chop them up, feeny, feeny, feeny. Hello, my beautiful liver, nice healthy one. And get all of these guys in the pan with my shallots. Anything of those onions smell, a little, you know, garlic, onions, shallots, all smells good. So I have a selection of mushrooms. Look at these beautiful oyster mushrooms. This is all one mushroom. And it kind of looks like a little oyster, doesn't it? So I have some shiitake and some cremini that I'm gonna go ahead and just chop up and then saute with my shallots and livers. So I am chopping some shroomage. So mushroom chopping, done. Now I'm adding my chopped up mushrooms right to that. A little salt action. I'm gonna turn up the burner a little bit, and it's amazing how much this will shrink on down. Mushrooms are mostly made of water, so and we wanna keep all that water in there because why? Mushroom water, mushroom flavor. So, here we go. Just stick it in pretty far, and then wiggle it back and forth. Look at that, a nice big place for all this deliciousness of stuffing in there. So that's one down. I'm gonna go ahead and rock out all of these. I'm gonna reduce that until the wine reduces away, and then I'm going to add it to goat cheese, and I have some chives. This is my stuffing. So I have about 4 ounces of goat cheese. It's room temperature, you know, if it's not super room temperature, that's okay. I'm gonna add my warm filling to this, and so it will help to melty that cheese all around. And I'm getting my standard breading procedure put together. Flour, egg wash, breadcrumbs, little water, 1 cup flour, some eggs. I'm gonna mix that with 1 tablespoon of water per egg. Just kind of loosens up our little egg stuff. And I mix this together till it's a homogeneous mixture, scrambled egg action. Okay, and now panko breadcrumbs. My favorite kind of breadcrumbs, super nice and crunchy. Crunchy, as we like to say. So I'm gonna add this into there. We're gonna get it all mixed up. All right, so to fill our pastry bag, we make a cuff all the way over because we don't want to get our outside of our pastry bag messy and yucky. So, all right, we'll start with that much. We'll see how that goes. Do a little twist action. Now, because I did my chicken breast earlier, I have a little pocket in which to fill up my chicken breast. Look at that. I love this part. Watch this. Right in there. Ooh. There is filling all the way through there. Now, beautiful. A little salt. And we go right in the standard breading procedure. Flour. Nice. Egg wash. Ah, look at that. And breadcrumbs. Now, once I get these all breaded up, I'm going to let them hang out in the fridge for about an hour to really let that coating just get locked on there. All right, so let's season up the rest of my chicken breasts. I'm gonna get all of these through this standard breading procedure and stuffed with this deliciousness. Oh, look at that. And I'm gonna brown them up, crisp them on both sides, and then toss them in a warm oven while I make a little pan sauce. Look at, oh, that is a good chicken breast. Alrighty. Hello, beautiful babies. Ah, very nice. Beautiful, look at my breasts. I'm turning them over golden brown. Oh, they smell delicious, nice and crispy. Oh, look at that. Good things happening. All right, so my chicken coming out of my pan, a little blot job on there. And we give it a little sprinky-dink of salt straight away. Oh yeah, look at that, nice. I've got my oven preheated to warm, so I'm going to toss my chicken breasts in there to just help them finish cooking gently, gently, while my pan sauce is happening. Oh, look at that. Hello, gorgeouses. Hello, other gorgeous. All right, a little blot of the excess oil. Thank you for coming. All right, we're gonna ditch this excess fat. All right, I'm gonna get some wine in my pan and get my chicken breasts in the oven. All right. Ooh, I love that sound. I love that smell even more. A little salt in there. All right. So we're gonna get my chicken breasts in the oven at 300 degrees. There we go. See you guys in a little bit. Oh, I'm very, very excited about those. All right, so my wine is reduced down. I'm gonna add some chicken stock to this. I'm gonna add the chicken stock, I'm gonna reduce it down, and then I'm gonna add more chicken stock to really drive home and concentrate that chicken flavor. All right, so a little salt. We're reducing down. Hello, my beautiful babies. My chicken breasts, I stuffed them with mushrooms and chicken livers and goat cheese, a little shallots and chives. I breaded them with panko breadcrumbs, and I seared them and finished them in the oven, and now they are some sexy babies. A little pat of butter to my sauce, just to kind of thicken it up. All right. I'm gonna let that do its thickening magic. A little chicken breast, look at these beautiful babies. I made a lovely pocket in there, so it's all beautifully stuffed. All right. Give it a little drink of sauce, a little drench of sauce. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. Hello, hello, gorgeous. All right, you know what? I'm gonna cut right into the fat, and I'm using my big knife too, because I just can't wait to attack this. Oh, look at this. It's juicy, it's succulent, it's crispy on the outside. Look at that. And tons of stuffing in there.